Most business-to-business proposals do not fail during the presentation. They fail after the presentation, when the proposal enters internal approval processes you are not part of. The real problem is that most proposals are designed to convince one person. But business processes and systems make decisions in serious organizations. Finance, procurement, risk, and leadership team must all agree, and your proposal is judged on its ability to withstand that scrutiny. This is why many strong proposals quietly collapse. They explain the solution clearly, but they do not help the decision maker defend the decision internally. When a buyer cannot justify the commercial logic, the risk shifts from the organization to the individual. And that is when hesitation begins. Buyers do not only need a solution, they need a board-proof justification. They need to show how the decision protects margins, reduces risks, and delivers profitable outcome for their organization. So the strategic shift here is simple but powerful. Your proposal must do more than sell value. It must protect the person approving it. It must be designed for the meeting after the meeting. Whenever you meet the decision makers, think beyond the proposal and start considering internal defense. In the next video, we unpack why price objections are seldom about money and what they really mean. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.